non-medical care is considered anything that would be outside of really a physical touch to you. So let's say it is, it would be respite relief. And what I mean, and what I say when I mean that is it's actually relief for yourself or your loved one, to be able to give you some relief. And maybe that is grocery shopping or doing something where you're not able to take your loved one with you. Perhaps your loved one is bedbound and you don't want to leave them alone, but you have something to do that you can hire that type of individual. Um, you can also hire up to even someone, what we call personal care assistants or home health aide, who might be able to stand by while someone bathes in order to provide safety. So all of those are part of that non-medical services that can be provided in the home setting.